Today we will read another story about Jan. Jan meets Nell and her hens. Would hens be good pets? Will Jan get a pet hen? We will use the new words and skills we learned to read whether Jan gets a pet hen. Today we will work with the letters S and H. Shark begins with the sh sound. The letters SH together stand for the sh sound at the beginning or end of a word. Look at the first word, ship. The letters SH together stand for the sh sound at the beginning of ship. Now look at the second word, gash. The letters SH together stand for the sh sound at the end of gash. Seahorse begins with a S sound. The letter S stands for the S sound at the beginning or at the end of a word. Look at the first word, sip. The letter S stands for the S sound at the beginning of sip. Now look at the second word, gas. The letter S stands for the S sound at the end of gas. Let's blend some words together. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is S. S. Let's slide over the next letter in line 2. Remember that when there is only one vowel and it is followed by two consonants, the vowel usually stands for its short sound. Let's blend the two sounds. S, a, sa. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Sa, sh, sash. Read it with me. Sash. A sash is a piece of cloth worn for decoration. Now we're ready to read about Jan in a story called 10 Pet Hens. Do you think Jan will get a pet hen? Then today we will also read another story about Jan. Jan is sad because she did not get a pet. How can Doc Hill help? Will Jan get a pet after all? We will use all the new words and skills that we've learned to read about what these characters do. Now you are ready to read 6 Pet Fish. But first, let's take a quick spelling check to see how well you're writing our SH words. So pause the video and go get your journal and a pencil. Number 1, I will say a word in a sentence that uses that word. Listen carefully and use your best handwriting to write the word I say. Ready? Ship. The ship went across the ocean. Ship. Ship. Number 2. Shop. We bought milk at a shop. Shop. Number 3. Wish. He got his wish for a bike. Wish. W-I-sh. Wish. Number 4. Rush. We had to rush home. Sh. Rush. Number 5. Write the word fish. A shark is a kind of fish. 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 Number 6. Dash. I must dash to school. Dash. D-a-sh. Dash. Make sure you pause the video if I'm going too fast. Number 7. Grass. The grass is green. grass. G-r-a-s, grass. Number 8, miss. I miss him when he is away. Miss. M-I-S. Number 9, will. Will you go tomorrow? Will. W-I-L. Will. Number 10, tell. He can tell a good story. Tell. T-E-L. Tell. Number 11, shape. A triangle is a shape. Sh-A-P. Shape. Number 12 is the word shoe. Cinderella lost a shoe. Sh-oo, shoe. Did you spell the words correctly? Check it on the last page and correct any words that you misspelled. Then take a picture and turn it into your teacher.